I had a very, very good week because all my breakdown I did last week went to my direction. Only that I missed some few entries and oh, but like it was a very, very good week. So yeah, as we all know, I start with the DXY, and as you can see, this is the daily time frame. So let me just start my breakdown. I don't want this video to be very, very long because I don't really have some openings in some pairs, so I'll just go straight to the point. So the DXY on the weekly time frame, we are currently bearish because, like I said last week, I was expecting after this, I was expecting price to take out this last low, and you can see price has taken the lows. That is it. It has taken the lows. So currently, I really don't know what price wants to do. The only thing I could see is where probably price wants to come and take this out as like the only thing I can see here. This is our supply zone. Price key. Tap on the supply zone, and so you can see price moved downward. So the only thing you should be expecting is either price continue the move to the downside and give probably a retest, probably comes and give a retest to this, they continue to the down movement. That's the only thing you should be. Let me check the monthly time frame. Yeah, I really don't think there's an opening now. There's just no the monthly time frame is also bearish. Like everything is bearish on the DXY. So I really don't think there's an opening for me. To me, there is like no trade on DXY, like no trade opportunity. I don't trade DXY. I just use it as a confluence for my dollar pairs. So as you can see, there's really nothing to look out for because only just for price to give a good retracement, and you can take this trade back to the downside. That's all. Just wait for price to either retrace to this point. Let me check the 50% of this move. Mm-hmm. Either for price to retrace to the 50% or the 61.8% of this move, and then you take the trade back to the downside. To me, there's really no much opportunities on this pair. So it's going to be the same thing for the Euro USD. So let's just continue. The Euro, same thing as you all know. As you all know, the Euro USD is like the opposite of the XY. So it's the same thing. Tap on this demand zone, press tap on this demand zone, and you can see price started moving, took out the last high. So the only thing I should be waiting for is for price to come and retrace to this last high and move to take out this. This is my targets now for Euro USD, for price to come and take out this because we are currently bullish. So if price can't come to the weekly time, if you retest this last high and then we move to the upside, that is what I should just be expecting. Nothing much funny thing here. Like I'm ready to say, there's really nothing much on display. So that's why I don't really like go deep. I don't really need to go deep. Let me check the 4 hour time frame. It's just an opportunity. There could be an opportunity next week because like you could see price is looking like it has taken this low, just only with body but not with the candle, not with, sorry, not with the wicks, but has taken it with the body but not with the wicks. There's a break with the body, so you could see probably price could come down. That's it. Price is going to retrace. That's what I'm just waiting for the retracement to be confirmed. Then we can short it to this point here. So let's just say there's really no much opportunity. So that's why you can join my free telegram to see when I'll be sharing setups and all. So that is it. So let's go down to other pairs, which is AUDUSD, which is like a very good pair that I'm looking at right now. A very, 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 very good pair I'm looking at. As we all know, see, once you have mastered something for a long time, you've been looking at something for a long time, you tend to get like mastery. You tend to get mastery of that pair. AUDUSD is bullish on the weekly time frame. AUDUSD is currently bullish. I don't think there's anybody that has to be shorting AUDUSD except you are going for a long term short. So we all know, yes, like right now, this is our new current low. If price breaks this low, we are bearish. But like currently, we are bullish. This is the highest price has to take out, which price did not take last week. The continuation here and all. So like just relax. AUDUSD is bullish. Then we go down to the daily time frame. As you can see, daily the daily time frame is like coming down for a retracement. We don't know where the retracement will end, but I'm happy with this retracement because it will give me opportunity to enter the trade. I closed, I made profit on this trade last week. So if I send the 50% of this retracement, you can see where the 50% retracement is here, and you can see where the 50% retracement is currently right here. So I am just waiting for what this pair is going to do because this pair has to align bullish also on the daily time frame. That is giving a confirmation of a new low on the daily time frame, so we can take this trade to the upside. So probably just wait for the there's not really much right now because price is currently retracing downwards. So once price is done with its retracement, you can take this pair for a buy. AUDSD is going to hit 0.6900 very soon. Let me see what this is. 0.69032 very soon. You heard it here first because AUDSD is bullish and I'm going to be buying this pair once this pair gives me an opportunity to buy. This is like my top pair for next week. This is my top pair for next week. This is the pair I'm going to be looking at, putting most of my energy in, most of my money in, because this is the pair that is giving me everything I need to see. So that's that for ages. You see, I just want to make this video very short because there's really no enough opportunity in love pairs, and as you all know, I really don't go down to lower time frames to like analyze. That is it. I just spot my analysis from higher time frames and I take my interest from the lower time frames. So yeah, AUDJPY, I just added this because I really got tired of waiting for some pairs. There was no pairs, so I'm a swing trader, so get we you wait 90 most of the time. You wait 90% of the time. So this pair from the weekly time frame, let's go down. I want to break down this pair for you guys. We could see price came here. I just want to be using the week as break. Price came here, broke this. Price came here, broke here. You get price came here, broke this last low, created a new low, which we're thinking, okay, obviously price will come back and we are continuing the trend to the downside. But no, what did price do? Price came back and took out this last high. It took out this last high. So that's like a market shift confirm, like a market shift. They just like change of structure. So the thing you have to be expecting is just like what happened in the ADS. It's just like what happened in the ADS for like 3 weeks now that we've been waiting for that confirmation. So the thing here you're supposed to be expecting is for price to come and give a new low. Like it should come for it to be confirmed. It's price giving a new low formation and taking it back. You now take it back to the last high. So I hope you guys understand. So right now I'm waiting for price to give a new low confirmation and I'll take it back to this last high because this will be my first target and my overall target will be here. That is it. My overall target will be there. So currently, yeah, this is my last low. My last major low currently. This is my last major low, and this is my last major high currently. So I'm waiting for price to give a new low. That is a higher low formation, and then I'll take the price to the upside. So that is what I'm just waiting for, as you can see currently. That is just what I'm waiting for. Then we go down to the daily time frame because you can see there is not really much opportunity on the weekly. We go down to the daily time frame and we see price is bearish on the daily time frame. So we take advantage of the bearish movement. So right now, what has price done? Price came here, created a new highs, low, high, low, came here, took out this high, came to this supply, then moved down. That's what price just did. The highs, the low, the highs, the low, the high, low. Then price came here, took out the supply, took out this last high, and then came down. So right now, this is what price has done. So where are we now? That's what you should be looking at. Price has come to like this retracement level. This is the retracement level. I'm combining on my confluence because I am actually in this trade. I took this trade on Friday. That was yesterday. Yeah, price has come to this. Price has come to this retracement level. Yeah, it has retraced to this last high. So sorry, to this last low. It has hit it. You can see it rejected twice. Not really a big rejection, but like there was like rejection. So price has hit this last. It has come to hit this, and if you have, you can add other confluence to price. So as you can see, it hits the 50% retracement, close to the 61.8, but like it hits the 50% retracement. And right now, currently, I am going to be shorting price to take out this. That's what I'm going to be doing. Like currently, I'm shorting price to take out this, right? So my confluence is number one. Price came, created the high, created the low, came back to compare test. The last low it broke. Yeah, you can see it's there was a break here, then came here, there was a break here, it came back here, there was like you see this bearish candle just gave me the confirmation I needed. But if you go down to the 4 hour time frame, that's where you see we use all time frames. Yeah. If you go down to the 4 hour time frame, the 4 hour time frame is still bullish, right? The 4 hour time frame is still bullish until price takes out this. I think my entries are around this point. Yeah, my entries are around this point. It is yes, these are my entries. Yeah. So I'm projecting the 1 to 4 weeks to reward. I'm to make 4% if I'm in this trade. 4% of my account. To the math. That's actually crazy. So yeah, the 4 hour is still bullish. We can all see it is still bullish. This is the high, this is the low. The only way the 4 hour is going to be bearish is when price takes out this last low. And that's where you confirm yes, the 4 hour is bearish and everything goes. but the daily time frame is bearish. The 4 hours to align bearish for price to continue moving downwards. That is what happens. I missed this trade here. Price came here, broke here, price came here, broke here. So I was supposed to take this trade here. I was waiting for that new low, but I was like off my charts to this point. And this was like I missed this trade here. But anyways, I'm taking the trade back to the downside. So that one is you have to focus on more opportunities to come, not the opportunity you lost. So yeah, as you can see here, this is what I'm expecting for price to do. Price to come and take out this last low. So that is when I confirm yes, the 4 hour is bearish alongside with daily time frame. The daily time frame is currently bearish and has given a confirmation that I want to start selling. The 4 hour is bearish, is still bullish, but it has to give a confirmation that I want to start selling also. So that is what I am waiting for. I just want that 4 hour to align bearish. But I feel if you go down to the lower time frames, like the 3 hours, there's really nothing. It's just the same with the 4 hour, just like slightly different, obviously. Yeah, this is what I'm saying. So I think this is already bearish. Yeah, it's just so you can see. I feel you can all see, yeah, I feel it's already bearish. The 2 hour, but like I just want the extra confirmation. The 2 hour is still bullish. That's why I'm saying here. 2 hours is still bullish, but the 1 hour is bearish already. Yeah, the 1 hour is bearish already. But like to just confirm everything, I just want this price to take out this last low, and then I am bearish on this pair. So that is so there are two pairs that are my main focus for this week. AUD USD and AUD JPY. Those two pairs, you guys should look out for those two pairs. Follow my Instagram on Dave FX underscore trading lab. Of you can subscribe and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube. So yeah, let's go to the next pair. I don't want this video to be very long, like I said. The next pair, gold. See, one thing I want you guys to understand is, to me something might not be clear, but to you guys something is clear. Like we all there are people that have different strategies, as you all see. For me, gold right now is bullish on the weekly time frame. It has aligned bullish on the weekly time frame because gold has come here. Gold came here to retest this last high, and we'll be seeing gold to take out this last. Gold came here to retest these highs, and now it has created a new low. So I'll be seeing gold to take out this. So from here, to this point is 1,223 pips. So the weekly is bullish, it has aligned bullish. The daily needs to align bullish. The daily is bullish also, but it wants to give opportunity. I will not mind if the daily gives a retracement to this point, and then I'll start buying this pair to the upside. That's why I said I wouldn't mind if daily gives the retracement to that point. So let me just give, okay. So the 50% of this old move is going to be around this point. So like I said, I wouldn't mind if price comes down to retest this highs or something. It would be good, it would be sweet, like very okay. So I wouldn't mind if price gives a good deep retracement, gives a new low, and I'll like take the pair to the upside. I wouldn't mind that, for real, bro. I wouldn't mind gold giving the retracement. So that's what I'm just waiting for. I'm just waiting for all these pairs to give you retracement. There is much money to be made. Like once if price gives a retracement, there's money to be made on these pairs. So currently, you should just I feel gold should be coming. This is the demand zone. Gold should be coming to this demand zone because as you can see. So I'll just be waiting. The 4 hour is bearish currently. 4 hours actually bearish. So let's wait for a confirmation. The weekly is bullish, the daily is bullish, but trying to give okay a entry like a pullback and all. So I'll enter from that pullback. So that's it. That's that good. That is what I want you guys to know on gold because there's really no much opportunity because I know gold is going to take out all these highs. This first high has failed. Once the first one fails, the rest will fail. That is it. As if the price is okay. So that is that on gold. So let's go down to EU. Sure, EG. You see this EJ here? This is an undecisive candle. Don't know why this is so fucking. Yeah, so this is an undecisive candle. So at this point, you don't know where price wants to go to. Price either price wants to come and fill the week the downside, or price wants to go back up, continue the trend to the upside. We don't know right now on the dailies, on the weekly side. But on the daily, what we don't know is price is going for rejection. I actually had a trade. I shared it to my free telegram. I had a trade on this Euro JPY. I had a trade here. I shared it to my friend again. And I said, "Yo, after this, after I saw this, I said yes. Price wants to come for a confirmation to the upside, so let's just relax and wait for what wants to do. Like it wants to come and I feel price wants to come and retest. It might not come all the way here, but I just feel price wants to come and retest here. And if I also do like my fib, it has hit the 50%, so price should be coming to take to the 6.18%. So we don't know if price is going to come all the way to that upside, so that's what we don't know. So that's why I said but for the meantime the confirmation that I'm seeing is still bullish. So on the 4 hour I took the trade from the 4 hour. So right now price is taking a pullback, is giving a pullback. We are bearish on the daily time frame. We are still bullish. We are bullish on the 4 hour time frame. So for you to take a trade to the downside, the 4 hour has to align bullish and the daily has to align bearish. Like they have to align both. They have to paint the same picture. That is all. That is the correct confluence you just need. So I took price to this point, but I closed already though because I was like I don't like taking two pairs in opposite direction. GPY. I took AUD for a sell. I took Euro GPY for a buy. I was not really comfortable. I took the trade from around this point when I saw the retracement. Took it here. This was my sell confirmation. And I shared it to my free telegram though. So that's why if you're not in my free telegram, you guys are missing out. Yeah, I should join my free telegram. Like I share amazing setups there. And you can see the daily is this is the daily pullback. So as we all know, the daily is still bearish, but it's giving a pullback. So we don't know what is going to happen next. That's why I said most pairs don't have any direction right now. They just have a mini, like a small direction. There's really like not that large, big. Okay, this is where price is going to head to in the coming weeks and all. So Euro JPY currently is still bullish. It's still bullish, but that's to align bearish with the daily and the 4 hour for me to take the sell. That is that on the cheaper. I really don't want to do much. USD card, you see this pair is giving a lot. This pair that there's a lot of things that this pair is giving. I am Biodo. What did this pair give? There was a break of structure here. I don't want to go down to the weekly because the weekly is bearish. There was a break of structure here. So this is a market shift pattern, right? So what are we expecting is for price to come and give the retracement, and then we enter for the sell to the downside, right? It is not even up to the 50% of this thing. So that is why like I am still waiting for the confirmation. USD card is still bullish till the confirmation is set. Like until but the weekly is bearish, as you can see, just because there was like this rejection here. So if you are going to take the trade, we are going to check the trade to take out this. This is our direction. To take out this downside. So that is it. We're going to take out the trade to take out our downside. And so that is our targets. We're actually seeing. So we're waiting for price to like give a very good confirmation. This is going to be a demand, a supply zone. So if the supply zone fails, so I'm waiting for price to get to this point, and then we short to this point. So that is it. Price to get there, and then we short to this point. 180 something pips to the downside. So this is just what I'm waiting for. Price to get to the supply zone, and then we'll short to this point. That is it. This is the supply zone. So once price gets to the supply, I short. I'll be looking for sales, a sale confirmation on the lower time frame, and then that is all. That is it. That is it. So let's go down to, I feel, is that not the last pay? No, that's not the last pay. GBP USD. Mm, nothing much, I'll say. Nothing really much. Like I said, nothing really much. But since it is looking bullish, since it's like going to take out, see price come to take out this as in the coming weeks. Oh, price was close to taking out that high. So this week, what I'm just waiting for is probably like a retracement. Like price will give a retracement. You can see the retracement is like getting smaller, 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 smaller. Sometimes these are like what's the name? These are like um confirmation that price wants to reverse or something. But like the retracement is smaller, smaller. But anyways, that's not the issue here. The issue is the main reason I am looking at this space is just, well, what I'm just looking at on this space for price to just come and give a retracement on this level. Once price come and retrace on this level, we'll take the trade back to this upside. That is it, to take out this high. So that's what I'm just waiting for, because price is still bullish. Uh, Like in the overall trend, it is still bullish. Daily is still bullish. 4 hour, you can see it's just giving a retracement. So like I said, wait for price to just come to this downside here, and then take it back to this upside. So my top two pairs I am looking at this week is A- AUD USD for a buy. Sorry, for next week, AUD USD for a buy and AUD JPY for a sell. So let's just see how it goes. And so guys, don't forget to subscribe for more content, and like and share. Follow my IG and join my free Telegram for free setups. So see you in the next weekly outlook video. Thank you.